My modeling agent said I could eat while we do this.
Hi everyone, I'm Mary Phillips. I'm going to show you how I create a full, beautiful, feathery brow on my model Jen Atkin. I start off by brushing up the brows with the Tweezerman brow and lash brush and trim any hairs outside the natural brow shape using the brow shaping scissors. I love the Tweezerman Slant tweezers, my go-to tool for tweezing brows, helping me get every hair every time.
Oh my God, what is happening? What are you doing?
I'm gonna straight razor you.
Where?
Just like to get all the peach fuzzies. It's okay.
Okay. But then am I gonna have to keep up with this?
No, you didn't even know you had hair up here. The Tweezerman brow razor is a perfect tool to remove tiny hairs outside the desired shape with precision. It's also great for removing any peach fuzz. Using the flat brow brush and spoolie and a brown powder, I shape the brow. Measure straight up from the bend in the nose between the tip and the nostril. The highest point of the arch should line up with the outer part of the iris. That's where I think the brow should begin.
Do I need to get more surgery?
Follow the invisible line from the nostril to the outer corner of the eye. That is where I like the brow to end, not before. And if the brow extends longer, it drags the eye shape down. Fill in any sparse areas with precise hair-like strokes, then use the spoolie to brush through.
It's my wedding anniversary tonight. I just remembered.
What are you guys
We're
doing?
going to dinner.
Oh my God, you'll be all
9 years and I'm gonna have my makeup done.
I got to do your wedding, but I got to do your 9-year anniversary. Lining the lips with a nude pink liner, finishing off with a neutral lipstick. Add some blush.
Jen, this is a brow video.
Oh.
And a final brush of the brows. Thank you, Jen, for being my model for today.